Is your Mercedes making unusual sounds? Expert diagnosis awaits in Huntington Beach. A Mercedes is engineered for a refined and quiet driving experience, so any unusual sound is a sign that something may be wrong. Addressing these noises early ensures your vehicle continues to deliver the luxury performance it was designed for. Recognizing common unusual sounds. Grinding or squealing when braking often indicates worn brake pads or damage to the rotors. Knocking or tapping from the engine may point to low oil pressure or internal component wear. Whining or humming while driving could signal issues with the transmission or wheel bearings. The importance of expert diagnosis. Mercedes vehicles require specialized diagnostic tools and brand-specific expertise for accurate troubleshooting. Early detection helps prevent small mechanical issues from becoming expensive repairs. Certified technicians can differentiate between harmless noises and signs of serious damage. Our diagnostic process in Huntington Beach. We begin with a thorough inspection using advanced diagnostic systems tailored for Mercedes models. A test drive is performed to replicate the sound and determine its exact source. We provide a detailed report and repair recommendations, ensuring transparency before any work begins. Benefits of timely repairs. Extends the lifespan of vital vehicle components, preserving your investment. Restores smooth and quiet operation, maintaining the premium driving feel of your Mercedes. Reduces the risk of roadside breakdowns and costly emergency repairs. Conclusion. If your Mercedes is making unusual sounds, don't wait for the problem to worsen. Our expert diagnostic services in Huntington Beach ensure accurate detection and quality repairs for lasting performance.